In this video, we show you how to install the BOS Lambda Protection Kit Pro on a BMW R 1300 GS and GS Adventure. This is the Lambda Protection Kit Pro. Inside the box, you'll find several components required for installation. The Lambda Protection Kit is mounted on both sides of the motorcycle, using 4 contact points in total. We will install one side at a time. We start on the first side by loosening the 3 bolts in the engine cover. First slightly, then fully, one by one. Next, we loosen the bolt on the shift cam cover on the cylinder. The 6 original bolts from the engine block are single-use only, so we dispose of them. These will be replaced with the new bolts supplied in the kit. Place the protector in position, making sure to insert a washer between the protector and the shift cam cover. Then hand tighten the 3 new bolts into the engine block. Now, tighten these bolts to a torque setting of 3 Newton meters. After that, turn each bolt an additional 90 degrees. Repeat the same steps for the other side of the motorcycle. And that's how you install the BOS Lambda Protection Kit Pro. Enjoy your ride.